Hey, what's going on, guys? So I thought I'd come out and have another go on this big sand pile, and I thought I'd bring the ramp out as well. As you can see, there's Dad there as well. But when we got here, we noticed that the ramp is gone pretty much. So that's what I was a bit suspicious about. I wasn't sure how long it was going to take for them to start using the sand for whatever they were going to use it for. So
on the paddock.
Oh yeah, it's all over the field. So they're getting ready for soccer or football or something. But we've got the Marauders out. I thought I'd get my Marauder out since we're getting the jump out, and at least we've got a nice soft landing. So we'll see how we go. If nothing goes to plan, I brought my little WL Toys with the slightly bigger wheels. So hopefully we get a backflip or two maybe. Oh, that was beautiful. Dad remembers how to drive. Nice. All 4-cell today. I haven't used this car since I crashed it last in my last video a while ago actually. It's a little bit wet out here, so something going on with my car. Oh, I love this car to bash. I don't know why, it's so good. Nice. I'm getting signal loss out there. Yeah, it's these controllers. My steering's starting to go already. Whoa! Oh, that slipper clutch has come loose. That's what it is. All right, watch out. Nice, very nice. Oh, that was a bit close. Sorry about that. Oh, all I can hear is the slipper clutch. Oh, kickflip. Oh! Having a hard time catching. Having a hard time keeping up.
Yeah, thank you. Awesome.
Uh-oh. Oh, there goes the wheelie bar. Nah. Oh, that might be all over for this car already, guys. I'm not sure how waterproof all this stuff is either. I have to go check that and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so, oh, here comes the rain actually, so we've got to be quick anyway. I'm not sure how long I'm going to have with the WL toys. Whoa, that's your spur gear or slipper clutch. Yeah, alright guys, no, that rain's starting to really come down now, so we're going to have to go. Not for the cars, just for, I don't know how waterproof the GoPro is, and I'm not really in the mood to get wet at the moment, so sorry guys. Alright guys, so we had to really rush back to the car because it's absolutely pouring out there now. Yeah, at least we got a couple of flips and stuff in. Hope you enjoy what I could get in, you know, so yeah, I'll get the cars out as soon as we get a bit of good weather out there. So cheers guys, as always, catch us in the next video and stay safe. How does it go guys? Ah, double rainbow! Oh wow! Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget, like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below.